illuminating the earth, warm, bright, filling the senses, coming to life, revitalized, reborn, fresh and new, melting the cold, no longer subdued, the rainbow of comfort after the storm, bonded to faith, emergence is sworn, a trust of a friendship, loving and pure, the sun will appear, this I am sure, reliable, honest, the soul of the stars, healing the wounds and internal scars, strength, courage, replacing what was lost, emergence of the sun, it is free, there is no cost, soak in the light, a gift from above, fuel for the body, the essence of love.